let's start out by talking a little bit about what makes organic chicken better than non-organic chicken.
I was expecting an intro when you got me like first off on a question. I'm like, hi, I'm Mike Asaga. I'm the product innovator for meat and seafood for Thrive Market. Knowing where your food comes from should be extremely important to you. That's why we partnered with Pitman Family Farms to bring their poultry products to our members at Thrive Market.
Welcome to Pitman Family Farms. My name is David Pitman. I'm a third-generation poultry farmer. We're here in the central part of California where we raise our birds for Thrive Market. We're working hard to sustainably improve what we're doing here at the farm in animal welfare and other aspects. First of all, we're doing organic. So that means that here at the farm, no herbicides, pesticides. Also in the grains that we feed the birds, the corn and the soy are also raised organically. In addition to that, of course, I'm trying to brainwash my kids to come back here for the fourth generation, hopefully soon. Yeah, sorry, Ben.
Animal welfare is extremely important to us at Thrive Market, so we wanted to partner with a poultry operation that offers a global animal partnership or a GAP rating on their chicken products.
We have about 30% more space inside, and of course we have double the space outside for the birds to go outside. To improve our sustainability, there's a bunch of things that we're doing regeneratively to improve. But one of the things to point out is our bedding for our birds in our houses. After it's been used for a flock, it becomes fertilizer. In addition to that, at our plant, we're helping to save water by using air chill. By using air chill, we're saving over 100,000 gallons a day of water that would be used if we water chilled.
Partnering with Pitman Farms was a very easy, logical choice for us. We truly feel that they are the finest, best operation in the United States and bring the best organic chicken to Thrive Market possible.